So I wanted to give an idea of how small this seemingly large development is at the scale of Lake Monroe. And so I created this animation. And here you see we're flying over from the St. Johns River Bridge over to the marina and going in through one of the shore stations slash lift stations and down one of the walkways that the marina provides for making your way to your specific slip. I think you'll agree that at the scale of Lake Monroe, this development is really quite tiny. And so here you can see build out of all 2,000 homes